guys, welcome to Foodie Hangout. Today I am going to do spicy, peppery and absolutely delicious pepper chicken fry. This dish is packed with flavor, super easy to make and perfect when you're craving something hot and tasty. So why wait? Let's get started. First I am going to dry roast few ingredients. Take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of whole peppercorns, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. Dry roast the ingredients on medium flame for about 3 minutes till you get a lovely aroma. Turn off the stove, cool ingredients completely. Once the ingredients are cooled completely, transfer these spices and crush it in the mortar and pestle. Or you can grind it in a mixer as well. But this method brings out a very good flavor in the dish. Now all the spices are crushed now, so keep them aside. Now take a pan or kadai, add about 3 tablespoons of oil. Now add 1 small cup of peeled garlic cloves and roast until they turn slightly golden. Now add 1 small cup of curry leaves. Saute it lightly. Now add 5 sliced up green chilies, or you can adjust the chili quantity according to your taste. Now add 2 medium-sized thinly sliced onion. Saute the onions till they are soft and lightly golden. The onions have softened. At this point we can add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute it lightly. After a minute, add the chicken pieces for this recipe. I have taken 500 grams of chicken with bone. Mix the chicken pieces along with the onions. Here add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of salt to taste. You can see the chicken is fried lightly. At this stage add 1 cup of water. Since this is 500 grams of chicken, I have added about 250 ml of water to cook the chicken. Close the lid and cook for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, if you see the chicken is almost cooked, now I am going to add pepper masala powder. I am using 3 tablespoons of pepper masala powder for 500 grams of chicken now. Increase or reduce the masala depending on the quantity of chicken. So gently mix the masala powder along with the chicken. Wow, the chicken looks absolutely amazing. At this point, I am going to add freshly chopped coriander leaves for garnish. This can be enjoyed as is, or you can enjoy it with some rice rasam or sambar by the side. This delicious pepper chicken fry is done. Turn off the stove and you can serve it nice and hot. Do try the recipe, enjoy it, share with your family and friends. and let me know how it turned out for you guys.